How can you turn off the Apple Watch alarm? Let's talk about it. If you're new here, consider subscribing as there are so many tutorials coming up regarding the Apple Watch as well as other devices, and I don't want you to miss out on anything. So at first, you can of course locate the alarm app on the watch, and there are going to be all of the alarms present, right? So you can enable them or delete or set up a brand new one, right? You get to control it in here. Just make sure none of them are enabled if you don't want to if you don't want your watch to go off with the alarm. However, it might happen that you set up an alarm on the iPhone and it also goes off on the watch. In order to prevent that from happening, just grab the iPhone and go to the the watch app on the iPhone like that. And once you're inside, scroll through the menus and go to the clock menu right away. And one of the things that you can change in here is the push alerts from iPhone, and this is what I'm talking about. So if you have this toggle green and a turn on, it means that your iPhone alarm will also be sort of pushed to the Apple Watch as well. So your Apple Watch will make the noise, it will vibrate. So if you don't want that, you have to turn it off, and it just means that it will be separate. So alarms set up on the iPhone will go off on the iPhone. Those that you set up on the watch will only vibrate and go off on the Apple Watch. So that's how it works. It's going to be separate from now on. So let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Let me know if you actually managed to set it up according to your preferences. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later. Stay tuned for more, and I'll talk to you then.